Hey guys, Lanush here at Lifestyle Pop. So this time in Rome, you're getting two unboxings because once again, there was an outfit that I really wanted to take with me, the one I'm wearing. The only bag that matched my outfit, okay, not the only, but the bag that matched my outfit the most was in fact the most recent purchase at Hermes. And when I say recent, I literally mean last week, because all of the unboxings I've done until now have been bags that I got 6 months ago, 1 year ago, some even 2 years ago. As I told you, I sometimes have a lot of my bags boxed up. But this is from last week. It was a big surprise, a very pleasant surprise, because I basically found this, I saw this top and skirt in Hermes, and I came in to get it. It was just what I came for. I was not planning on asking for a bag or being offered a bag. And as I'm changing, so the leather goods manager and a few SAs, because they've known me for years now at Hermes, like 7+ years. So in Monaco, they're just standing there with this insane bag. And at first I didn't even realize that it was like an offer. And then I'm talking about my outfit, etc., about the size, because it was a little bit loose and I probably needed a smaller size, whatever. And then they're like, oh, but by the way, like, what do you think of this? And I'm like, oh, I mean, it's gorgeous. And I'm like, is it for me? So it was quite funny. And yes, it turned out it was for me. And I told them that, of course, I'm absolutely taking it. And well, voila. Now we're going to open this up and I'm going to show it to you. It's actually a color that, I mean, I think it's amazing, but I wasn't really sure if I wanted it. It wasn't something I would necessarily request, but if offered, especially in this style, and at the moment, this is my favorite style of Hermes bags, I'll open it up and then you'll see why. But yeah, who turns down a bag like this, right? Ta-da! Ta-da! Let's see. What do you think it is? Well, it's not like you're gonna tell me. Okay, 1, 2. Oh my God. Okay, sorry, you can't see anything. Oh my God. This is the Ver Comics Constance Mini. Just look at this. It's in matte alligator. I just cannot even believe that they offered me this. Like, I mean, not that they haven't offered me insane bags. They have. I have like the Himalaya that you've probably seen the unboxing of on my Instagram, etc. But it was just so random, and really I could not believe my eyes. And Vert Comics in Mini Constance, guys. Why is this one of my favorite bags nowadays? Is because I can wear it crossbody. And yes, you can technically order a longer strap for the Kelly as well to wear crossbody, but the Kelly doesn't strike me as the kind of bag to wear crossbody, to be honest with you. I like it more like kind of on the shoulder or as a tote, top handle tote. And this one is just so perfect. Just look at it. I'll show you a little demonstration of my outfit at the end of this video. So this was my most recent purchase at Hermes. I'm taking all this off because I'm going to actually wear it. This is the inside. Oh, there's a new addition. They never used to give these. So it's some sort of a mirror that they've added to the bags. I have like 2 or 3 Constances, no more, but I've never seen this inside. This is something new. And there's more pockets. Oh wow, there's actually 2 compartments. My old Constance, I have from the minis, I have a lizard one and I have a box leather one, and neither of them have 2 compartments. This is so cool. So yeah, guys, the new Constance comes with an upgrade. Anyways, absolutely epic. So thank you, Hermes. And thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because come on, let's be honest, it deserves it. And yeah, see you later.